Thanai Tangshala Agolini Vagating Yova Awazo NCC ni Northeast Region ni Bakhakti National Level ni Camp khwlaijak a Camp ni Mungdargzaka Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Fashala a Kemo Cadets Univers Kango Kognaraka Assam Rifle Tripura Sector ni DJ Vikas Lakera Ashala Kemo Fine Kabama Hasteo ni Cadets Roni Logiwo Shini Mungrok Anglaika NCC no Tuiwe Cadets Roni Bukhani Kogrono Shinani Bagai Saitoka Ashalo DJ Pachago Kognarna ni Thangai Assam Rifle Tripura Sector ni DJ Vikas Lakera Shaka NCC ni cadet rok kisa buinisai juda angna ni nangnai tongmung rok kaham khlaina ni nangnai discipline rok no tewi tongna ni nangnai cadets rok bote bishaklaika NCC ni bagai hakotre jesung mota sanamjak tongo asuk kuvuni hakotre rok keri khanai
all of you in uniform, okay, the red hackle you are wearing, the dark green beret and the khakis you are donning is you have decided to be confined to the ethos of discipline, because when you don a uniform you don't remain a normal human being, so you become different and your behavior changes. Normally when you are in your home, I know that you are not like this, you don't clap like this, okay, synchronization, you don't walk, but when you don a uniform all of a sudden your actions change, and that's the start of success. To do what collectively we all should do to attain a particular aim. NCC is not about one individual, it's about organization. It's one organization in India, which is nowhere in the world you have an organization like NCC. Now this camp under Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat.
Satai Kalaiwo Montri Vokrag Narendra Modi NCC ni cadet roni Bishingo Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat eba AVSB Sibir Shamang Botano Songsai Rikha. Beer report Kok Khara.